What is going on, guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm here with my friend Adrian.
Hi together.
And we're here with his beautiful tuned Audi S3, and today we're going to show you around the car, give you a couple of sound checks and talk about the tune, of course, that he's done with the car. We have a very cold November day today, but we're here for you guys, and enjoy the video and stick on until the end. Okay, let's talk about the car. Maybe first of all, let's talk about since when do you have the car?
So I have the car since 2.5 years now.
Okay.
It's a 2018 model and I have it 2.5 years, yeah.
Okay, and you've enjoyed it ever since?
Every day.
Yeah. And the car stock has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine,
Yeah.
am I correct?
Right, yeah.
Yeah, and 300 horsepower. Quattro, of course, is also standard.
So the standard is 310 horsepower.
Okay.
It's the facelift model, 2018 model. It is without OPF. So
Very good, we love that.
in Germany it's auto particle filter.
Yeah.
So nobody likes that with that cars. And that's why I have the best model before this 2018.
Is incredible. It is the perfect spec. I would call it panda spec. Maybe it looks like a panda.
Yeah. Okay.
But I think it's very, very nice. And this is certainly the spec I would go for with that car. But yeah, you have done some mods with the car. First of all, the rims. Tell me about the rims.
Yeah, the rims I have bought half a year ago after I bought this car. I love them as a Yido performance. It's a special model. This is 19.
19-inch, okay.
It's still the summer ones. So,
Okay.
now in November I have to change them for sure.
Okay.
And the winter ones are 18.
18 then. That is why we actually did the video today, in order to still have the beautiful summer tires and summer rims still on the car. Yeah, I think the design, maybe I'm a bit biased, but I think the best cars which have come out were already built. New cars do not have the style and the looks and the appeal of older cars. Of course, this is not an old car, but I think it's absolutely beautiful. Of course, it has the sunroof up there, tinted glass in the back, and a very nice spoiler. Was this standard?
No, this one I have made 1 year ago.
Okay.
I bought this one and put it on that. So this is not standard. The standard one is just a thin. So like the half of this, just a thin white one.
Ah, okay. Maybe a thin gurney flap in the back.
thin
Okay.
gurney. And this one, I love this one.
Okay.
Also, this very much is not standard. So the combination from white to black, all elements are not standard.
Okay.
Always like silver.
Yeah.
I do not really like that. So it's the combination white and black. This is
Yeah.
how I always liked it.
I actually spec'd a Audi Q8 this year just for fun, you know me. And it had like Black Pack 1, Black Pack 2, and maybe even Black Pack 3. And each pack added one more black detail. I find that so annoying with the new cars.
Yes.
And that's, really looks good.
This is a sport exhaust from Milltek.
Wow.
Maybe if you film it on there, I think there is something here. You can see it.
Yeah.
So this is Milltek one.
Okay.
And yeah, for sure it's a sport exhaust, so it makes a little louder. Also, these ones are more oval like that.
Yeah, they're
The usual,
oval. Yeah.
The usual ones are just like that. And so it looks a little bit bigger, a little bit more sporty and aggressive for sure.
It's incredible.
I love this one.
Yeah, the diffuser looks great. It's very masculine, I would say.
Yeah.
Because people, that is what I also said in one of my Porsche videos in the Alps. I said people disregard cars with 300, 350 and 400 horsepower, because in today's day and age online, everybody's going for 500, 600, 800, 1500 horsepower, and that of course gets the clicks. But when you look at a car like that, it's incredible. It has so much bang for the buck. It has a lot of horsepower and it's very usable. You can still enjoy it on the road. You can rev it out, and it's a very beautiful car, I gotta say. So Adrian just pointed out that the braking system is also not standard for the car.
Yeah, the standard ones are a little bit disappointing, to be honest, from Audi or from this model, from A3, S3 models, and this is more sporty, a more better braking system.
Okay, let's have a little look at the interior of the car. It has a very nice welcome animation here on the dashboard, which goes away quite quickly. So what I really love about the car is that it is equipped with a carbon fiber package here. It extends from the door all the way to the center console. It has a very nice lighting system here. And then when we take a seat in the car, we of course clap our shoes. And then here on the inside, it is the very familiar Audi interior, which looks very timeless, I would say. It's a very nice steering wheel. It has the perfect size. And when we activate the ignition, then everything wakes up. Of course, we have the center cockpit here with all the important information about the car, and also that the door of course is open. Here we have Android Auto because Adrian is a Android user. Boo! But of course it also works with Apple CarPlay. And what I really love, which is not standard, is this carbon fiber package here on the center console. Because normally, I think, Adrian, it is probably just black plastic here?
Black plastic, yeah.
Okay. And then you changed it to that carbon fiber optic here in the middle.
Right, everywhere, also at the back seat.
Okay, back seat also carbon fiber. We have the gear knob here, carbon fiber. We have carbon fiber here on the passenger dashboard, here on the doors. Yeah, it is a very nice spec, of course.
Also here.
Oh,
but maybe I will change these to the red ones. I think you know this from many RS3 models or RS5. When this is in red, it makes a nice, better package.
Yeah, so maybe an optical red highlight here in the interior. Yeah, it looks very, very nice. It's a very well-maintained car. So yeah, big shout out to you. And of course, very important, Bang & Olufsen sound system. So this thing is, I would say, equipped to the max. We even have a sunroof here on the top. So a very beautiful example of an Audi S3. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Of course, the tune you've did with the car. What did you do? When did you do it? And what differences did you notice?
So I've done a tuning some months ago because I always liked the speed of this car, for sure. It's because of the lightweight of this model.
Yeah.
It's very fast, to be honest, but sometimes, want something faster, want more aggressive sound also. And I've made a tuning. It went from 310 horsepower to close to 400, exactly 388 horsepower.
Oh, wow.
It's called Stage 1 Plus tuning, because I've also done something in the area of the engine.
Okay.
Just some small equipment changes. And the next stage would be Stage 2 and Stage 3. Maybe 1 year or some time I will do this. And
I would say Stage 2 is then probably with turbos as well, or turbo. Yeah, so
you have to.
Of course, singular turbo. And this one is software and also a tune for the exhaust system. You did some more refinements for the bangs and crackles.
Yeah, I have made the pops and bangs for the test by stage also, standard, but I have made it more aggressive, just more louder.
Very
also
good.
With the sport exhaust, for sure, it makes a great fit. And from 400 Newton meter to 500 Newton meters, so also goes faster now. And the top speed also have increased.
Okay.
Top speed was 267 to be
exact.
Very exactly. And now I reached 300 kilometers per hour.
Oh wow. Which is incredible, because back in the day you needed like 500 horsepower plus in order to reach 300 kilometers an hour. Of course, here in Germany we're spoiled. We got the incredible unrestricted Autobahn, of course, but this Audi S3, 300 kilometers in that car, it's incredible. Now we've actually tortured you guys enough. We've talked about the car. Now I'm going to give you a small little car porn of the exterior of the car, and then we will give you very nice shots with the sound of the car. So stick for the video, and if you've enjoyed it until here, like the video and of course subscribe to the channel in order to see many more videos of that sort.
No, 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 just like the wind. With just one touch, I can with just one touch, I can feel my body giving.
as you can see, Adrian was very generous with me and he actually allowed me to drive the car now. So I'm actually going to do a quick drive-by. He's waiting up there where I just filmed because he has never heard his own car from the outside. That is why, yeah, we're doing a quick drive-by now with the car. And yeah, the sound of course is very, very nice. It sounds incredible. The Milltek exhaust with all the crackles is very, very nice. Let me just check that there is no car coming now. Okay, we're good. We're going into manual mode, of course, and we're shifting with the shifter here, as a normal car guy, of course, would do. Yeah, very nice handling car. Going to give him the honk and let's go. Yeah, very, very nice. So very big thank you to Adrian. I will put his Instagram link down below. Please check him out. That is not normal that you allow somebody else to drive your own pride and joy. Very thankful for that. We're now driving on and yeah, we're actually going towards a tunnel now in order to show you the sound even more. But if you've liked and enjoyed the video until now, please subscribe the video. You will see plenty more car related stuff and yeah, check it out. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. That is the sign we love. Yeah, that is a 4-lane unrestricted German Autobahn. We all love that, but we're actually going out here. Yeah, so as you can hear, that is the sound all of us car guys love. This is a pre-OPF model, so we do not have any filters in there. It is just the unrestricted, true and authentic noise of that beautiful Audi engine. And now we're actually coming towards the end of the video. We're now driving to another tunnel. We're gonna give you a final sound check and final thoughts there, and then we're done with the video. So thank you very much for sticking until this part and enjoying that beautiful noise with us. And yeah, stay tuned for all the videos to come in the future, and see you. That is exactly how a car should sound. It's incredible.
Yes.
And with that, we're done with the video. I really enjoyed my day with that beautiful tuned Audi S3 from Adrian. I'm very thankful for him, and he even gives us some more revs in the end. If you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for plenty new videos to come, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers!